Did you know Africa is on the brink of a battery revolution? This could reshape our energy landscape and tech industry. I'm Anointing Obi with Obi Expeditions. Today we break down how battery storage and renewables are becoming Africa's next tech boom, and what it means for you in Nigeria. Battery storage is crucial for grid stability. It helps integrate renewable energy sources effectively. South Africa is set to invest in an impressive project pipeline, totaling around 11 gigawatt-hours and about 11 billion United States dollars. This investment represents a tremendous opportunity. In Nigeria, we've unlocked a plan with a $410 million investment in the manufacturing value chain. This shows our commitment to the battery sector. This matters tremendously for Nigeria and Africa. First, think of new job opportunities. We will need workers in manufacturing, battery reuse, and recycling. Startups will thrive here, offering services like battery as a service and off-grid storage solutions. Improved infrastructure will lead to fewer outages and lower power costs for businesses. The impact is profound. However, we must consider some risks. Financing and execution risks are prevalent. That means big numbers do not always ensure successful delivery. Local content issues may arise too. Foreign firms might control parts of the value chain, which could limit local benefits. There are also environmental and regulatory challenges in manufacturing and battery disposal to consider. So, what can you do? If you're an entrepreneur, think about starting battery swap stations or smart meter companies. Explore off-grid storage options as well. For investors and traders, monitor companies focused on battery storage, manufacturing, and smart grid technology. For everyone else, stay informed. Nigeria and Africa are positioning themselves for a significant shift in energy technology. This could lead to lower costs and local solutions. Are you ready for Africa's battery boom? Comment below which country or company you think will lead this next wave. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Obi Expeditions brings you the stories shaping Africa's future.